and that's down. I'm going to show you it with it going up. And watch it go through the open tunnel. Watch it go through the open tunnel. Watching? Oh! Didn't quite make it.
Totally made it.
Oh! Wheels sometimes slip and they crash. Control panel it up. Yeah! Now try doing it let's do it with the tunnel closed and the control panel up and this over here. And the car, and one car goes onto the pokey hole. My plans.